Sri Racha, what a beautiful town. Why don't we see Sri Racha down by the sea?
This looks really cool. This is actually the waterfront. The ocean is right there. And we got a little shop in there. We're gonna see other views of stuff like this too. But this actual one is gonna be exploring this park over here. So we're gonna walk over to the ocean over that way and just kind of show you what the park looks like. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so we have a series of Sri Racha videos. I have quite a few, you can look down below. And I just have a few left upcoming. So this particular one is on the waterfront. So this is kind of the most well-known park. A lot of people, if you look at Sri Racha and you see what people say about it, they usually talk about this park, just how much there is to do, the location of it being on the ocean like that. And it's just kind of a good place for the community of the city. So you're gonna see it firsthand through my camera lens. And watch out and subscribe for 2 more. I got a nightlife one of Sri Racha, and I also have my really cool hotel, which is well located. So I'll throw those up in the future, the next few weeks. But this one right here is the waterfront of Sri Racha. So subscribe, view it, enjoy it, and you'll get a taste of it firsthand through my lens. Sri Racha. So that's the main road right down there. Some really cool, so we're gonna have a sunset coming up pretty quick. So we do have this grass, lots of people who are walking around in this park area. So I think this blue one, I saw another park too that had for skating and bikes, but I think this one is for running and walking. I think I'm the only one going the wrong way, so I might have to switch it up a little bit. I think that's for a lifeguard. So let's come over this way. Ooh. This is closed or open? Open. So there's a place to sit and relax right next to the park. That looks super cool. Dang. There's shortage of cool stuff in Sri Racha. And there's a lot of piers, so that's I saw these little piers that come out everywhere, including over here. It goes all the way down, and there's ships that dock all along it, so you can see one pier straight ahead, but there's other ones on the other side. Way down there is a hospital and condos, and then a hill. I tried to go up to that hill today. I did go up there, so I wanted to climb that tower up there too. You can see it in the distance. Giant hill. You can see that? Okay. So we are going to show you this park. And the water comes up here. Lots of park benches to sit in. Yeah, Sri Racha is a nice town. You can sit and just admire that view. All these flowers. So it looks like everybody is walking this way. So it looks like we can walk, it's like a running path. And we are on the walking path. Got a playground here. And a running spot. And we're just gonna follow, and I think we also have a beach here in a moment. So we're gonna follow it all the way to the beach. We're gonna have a sunset in a little bit as well. More places to sit. Okay. And then we got the beach right over here. But the beach is kind of small. Actually, earlier I walked by it in the daytime and the water was way out there quite a ways, so I guess they have a significant tide. Okay. So that's Oakwood Condominium, Eastern Tower Condominium, Lotto Ocean View Condominium. So those are right on the main road. Not a main road, but like a road that follows the beach. And it looks like this whole area is more like running, jogging, exercising.
and then you have people walking over towards the beach. And I think everybody is going clockwise, except for me. Nobody's on my walking path. Everybody seems to be jogging. Thought I'd see some dancing. Maybe I will over there, I think. So let me go ahead a little bit. Okay, we're just still walking on the path. I jumped ahead a little bit. Looks like there's some singers over there. And they're not the only ones. I saw other ones that were singing. And we're gonna go over there by that stage over here as well. And we're gonna have a sunset pretty soon. So yeah, a little bit of SI RACHA in the evening. So if you watched my other video, I went through this park in the daytime and there wasn't really anything around here. There's a temple way over there. Lots of ships. But in the evening it was so hot. I was here about noon and I walked throughout the whole city around the peripheral part, and I put up a video so you'll see that. By the time you see this, you'll have already seen that if you're watching regularly. They got dancing here, they all got tie-dye shirts. And then now we're kind of in this jogging part as well. So we are going to go through. And there's more singing in the park way over there as well. And I think what I'm gonna do next, they're in a kiosk over there. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna go over by this waterfront and we can see the temple in the background. So let's go check that out too. Looks really cool. SI RACHA is really nice in the evening time. Yeah, that bench looks pretty inviting. I like how they got a lot of benches that are out looking towards the sea. There's the SI RACHA emblem right there. And you got all the ships out in the, I guess it's called the harbor. And then you have a temple. You can actually drive out to the temple. So there's cars that are driving it all the way down that way. And then you have this purple one that you can, I don't know what the purple one is for exactly, but looks like we can walk out on there if we wanted to. Oh, there's a beautiful bird. Gonna see what that's all about too. Oh, check out that sky. Amazing. Good. Amazing. It's kind of cool here. The evening time, it's really nice. I was thinking of walking out on here a little bit. Didn't expect that with the, to see those birds like that. Let me just kind of walk out a little bit. It looks like, I think I can go out here. Hope so. Looks like a bridge that kind of moves with the water. So we're gonna find out that as well in a moment. So I don't know if I'll go all the way out, but you can see SI RACHA. It's kind of a small town, but it has like condos, it has a park. That's kind of a lot of cool stuff. And then right over here, this road goes all the way out to that temple. Okay, so we're gonna go back. So we got our birds right there. Pretty cool. I guess you must take them out to exercise a little bit. So I think next I'm gonna walk across, I guess. nice in the evening here though, wow. Exercise as well. Okay, so I'm gonna try to go across here. Let's see if we can go across. Looks like we have some kind of cool stuff over here. So we're gonna capture, I think we're gonna try to see if we can walk through the middle of it. I guess it's dancing, exercise. So I guess we can exercise here. And then I think they're also gonna exercise over here. Park is so active. And we got another game over here as well. Let me just see what this one is. I think they're playing a certain game. It's kind of cool. Let's see how they do. Keep on moving on. Got dancing over there as well. Oh, there's somebody up there on the stage too. Just walk back over that a little bit. So there's somebody that's dancing on the stage and then everybody's following suit as well. Probably got there first. So you got a taste of Sri Racha at the park in the evening. It's pretty cool. It's a lot of activities. Got dancing, jogging, running, all kinds of cool stuff. And I think on that note, I think I'm going to end it. I think you have just about as good of a view as you can get of Sri Racha Park at nighttime. So this is it right there. You even have a parking lot to the left here.